Alright guys, so this is the Aweber account. So what you will see is something like this, where if you go to, let's say this is my link, you're gonna see this. Everybody should have this right here. Everybody should have this right here. And then it's gonna throw you in to, okay, let me put anything here. And it's gonna throw you into your capture page, okay? And this capture page will actually, you guys should be receiving. If you don't receive it, you should tell me. You should receive like a little. See, it says Aweber for myecon. It's gonna tell you that somebody went into your website or your funnel, okay? So this is what they're gonna see. This video explains everything. And this shows them how to subscribe. And then if you go here, it should go to your link. Okay? Your name should be say up here. Your name should be up here. Like, I don't know, for example, mine says this. So you click here. Mine is gonna say Ivan de la Garza. That means that's my link for my icon. Yours should say your name. Okay? Now, when that happens, that means that you have somebody, a lead interested. Okay? You don't want to leave leads. You don't want to leave leads behind. You want to do follow-ups. So how do you do follow-ups? This is why we have Aweber. Now, what we're going to do here is, and I want you guys to understand that I want you guys to respect, first of all, because this is my account, and everybody's going to get the username and password of my account, because everybody's going to have a list, okay? Each list has your own emails, okay? So don't go around and start messing around with if it's not your name, please. I am monitoring this site because it's mine, and if I see that somebody's playing around with other names, I'm gonna bring it up to your attention, and you'll probably be entitled to be terminated from this because it's not fair to go to somebody else's personal account, okay? So now let's say I go to this one right here, okay? So you're gonna log in. I'm gonna give you the login. It's gonna throw you to this. It's gonna tell us how much subscribers we have in total. And you're gonna go to this right here. Current list, you're gonna click right here and just find yours, okay? If you haven't emailed me or messaged me your myecon link and your email, please do so, because I know I need about 7 more people that haven't done this, but they haven't answered. But I'm still here helping you guys, okay? So if you guys don't answer, if you guys see this video and you guys are not here because I haven't contacted you to do your funnel, that's fine. Send me an email and send me your myecon link. That way I could start doing your funnel just like these guys. So let's say that you click right here, right? Once you click right there, okay? Once you click right there, you're already on your Aweber page, okay? This case is Chris, okay? Everybody has at the end myecon, but this is Chris. Now, you are gonna go where it says subscribers. You're gonna click in subscribers. And you're gonna click in subscribers, and you're gonna see here a check mark. Okay, that means this guy has one person that's already. This is a test. It was a test email, but this person already has an email here. For example, you could have a huge list right here. The people that have opt-in to your funnel, the one that shows the video explaining what it is. That means that person saw it. That we could do a follow-up. Okay, you should have a little box here. And I'm going to show you how it works right now, how to send emails, okay? That's one. Now, let's say, for example, you want to send an email. You're going to go to where it says message, okay? Message, and then you're going to broadcast, okay? Message and broadcast. once you do a broadcast, once you click on message and then broadcast, it's gonna throw you to these three little boxes. You're gonna click on drag drop email builder or plain text, however you want to do it, but I recommend this one. Okay, so now this is the email you're going to be sending your list. So let's say 150 people or 300 people already signed up, already went to your website, and you have a list of 300 people that have seen your the funnel that I made you. They already saw it, right? That means those 300 people are interested somehow. They're interested. You don't want to leave them behind because those are the people who are going to make you the sales, the money. Okay? Of course, there's people who are going to sign up right away, but you always going to do follow-ups because some people don't sign up immediately. Okay? So uh, now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and insert a subject here. That's when you get that person's going to receive an email, okay, and it's going to have a subject. All right. Now remember, if you have 100 people, if you have 100 people on your list, that means with one email you're going to send it to 100 people. Okay. If you have 5,000 people, one email is going to send it to 5,000 people, and so on. So here you're going to put a subject. For example, you could put hi, or always put RE, recommendation, put RE, that way they think that they already read it. RE, are you still interested on the job? For example, this is just an example. You want to cause, the title has to be very important. You want to cause the attention where they want to open it, okay? I always do this. You click here, open, okay? That way they reopen, their brain's going to say, okay, I need to open it. So, and that means that they already saw an email. So they're going to think that somebody replied back, you know? But, so here, they're going to see this. Are you still interested in a job? They're going to be like, okay, what job? So they're going to click. And here, you could just put something like, you know, very easy. Put hi. Don't put the name of a person because automatically the name of the person is going to come up here, okay? So in this case, it's going to say hi, the first name person, and you're going to put, are you still interested on working for credit repair agent? If so, please go to my link below. And then all you do is just drag you drag a button right here, right? And that button is going to have a link. You're going to put your link here. Okay, let's say I want to put eBay just for the sake of the training. Okay, and you can put it in the middle or over here. Okay, you can change colors, put it purple, red, green, whatever color you want it. Okay, so in this case, I like to put it right here. And I always like to specify, please click on the green button below if you're interested in making money while you build your credit, or something, you know. I know I have some misspells, but make sure you right click and you fix your misspells. Make sure you have great grammar, because there's people that are probably doctors or teachers and they're gonna make fun of you. They won't take you serious. Okay, so are you still interested in working for credit repair agent? If so, please click on the green button below if you're interested in making money while you build your credit. They click here and it's gonna take them to it's gonna take them to your link. Okay, and you could also put you could put an image. Okay, an image here of yourself. Okay, that way you know who it is, or they know it's a real person. Okay, you can put one here like that. You know, you can make it smaller. Okay, you can put it over here. Okay, and that way you know it's somebody, and then you can just put respectfully here, respectfully Ivan, whatever, you know. If you want to put, what I like to do is I like to add another button right here, and I like to tell them that to message me on Facebook, you click here and you put your Facebook link here, and that's it. Okay, now before you send it, you could try it out, preview and test. Do not save and exit, because then you're gonna send it without, you know, pre-reading it. Make sure you have a great grammar. You could also go here. You could bold, size it. You could put it. You can size it like a 14. The font, you know, all that good stuff. Okay. Make sure your emails are good, guys. Make sure you check on misspells and all that. So preview and test. Okay. delagarza@yahoo.com. Yes, preview to that one, which is my email. I'm going to go ahead and send the test. Okay. So now I'm going to go here and go to my Yahoo. Go right here. And here it is. Okay. In this case, remember, it was Chris Hell, myecon. Right? That means that's that person. In this case, it's going to have your name here, and they're going to see this. Are you still interested in the job? They're going to click here. Are you still interested in the job working? The one you made right now, and then if they click here, it's going to go to eBay. Remember, because for the sake of this video, I made a sample. It's going to take them to eBay. Okay? Or whatever URL you put there. Okay? Very simple. Now, that's that. Of course, I'm not going to save it because I don't want to send that email to my people, or he doesn't want to send an email to his people. So in this case, you're done. Okay? You're done. So let me try it. Save and exit. That way you guys know. Just try and save and exit. Once you know it's legit, you like it and everything, save and exit, and it's going to come up here. Okay? Are you still interested in a job? Boom. This is the email you're about to send. Okay, remember, you're testing it first before you send it. So once you do that, you go to send options. If you don't like something here, all you could do is you could edit and go back and save it again, because sometimes you're pre-reading like, oh shit, I forgot to do something. You go here, edit, and you go click here. And let's say you forgot to capitalize a letter. You go there and then you capitalize the letter. You capitalize letter, you capitalize it, and then just save and exit again. It's already capitalized, you fixed it. And now you're ready to send your email. Okay? So now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to send options, schedule a broadcast, and ignore this. Who should receive a message? Edit. Okay? And you're going to click on your name here. Where's your name? You're going to exclude all these right here, okay, because you're not here. And you're going to exclude here. Okay? You have to exclude there. Do not leave it like this, because that means you're going to send emails that they don't belong to you. And I'm going to find out, and you're going to be disqualified. Please. Okay? We're all a team. If it gets to a point that this is not working out, I'm just going to have to delete all of these, and you have to go to Aweber and open a new account. They charge like $35 a month. Okay? But I'm doing this for free for you guys. Okay? That way you guys don't pay a monthly fee. But then you're going to go, you're not going to click here. Okay? because your name is not here. Okay, your name is not here, so you don't click there. If your name is there, of course you click there, but if it's not there, don't click there because it's not yours. Okay, once you do that, you're gonna go apply, and then you're gonna send a message. Send now. If you have 300 people on your list, 300 people are gonna see that message. Okay, very simple. Now here it's gonna tell you how many open, how many unsubscribed, how many read it, how many clicked on your link, all that. Okay, that's that. That's what you want to do first. Okay, very simple. Now, let me see how much time do I have. I'm at 15 minutes. Good. So now, let's say, let's pretend. Okay, let's go to mine. Let's go to one of my lists because mine has more. That way I can show you. So let's pretend you have a big list now. Okay, you have a huge list, which is here. This is my this is mine, myecon. Okay, this is mine. So let's say you go there. Okay, you're gonna go to view stats. Let's say this one. Let's say you already send it and you saw 19 opened and 0 clicks, blah blah. You're gonna go to view stats. Okay, and it's gonna tell you opened. How many? The people that opened are these. Now, keep in mind that if they already opened it, you don't want to send them the email again because they already opened it. You want to go to unopened. The people that haven't opened it are these. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna send it directly to the subscribers. Okay, you're gonna send them just to the people that haven't opened it because you click on unopened. So you're gonna put a date. Always put a date, a name and date. You're gonna put unopened and today's date 7/14/2018. Okay, and then you're gonna save the segment. Okay, create segment send, and then it's gonna tell you to go. You're gonna go home. Okay, it's loading. Right, and you're gonna click. Let's say I want to send this one again to the people that didn't open. Okay, or let's say you do another email that's gonna say, did you open my email? Or hey, just following up, did you open my email? Whatever. Okay, you could do another one. In this case, I want to send this one again. Okay, you're gonna click on view stats. I'm sorry, you're gonna put on copy to draft. All right, and then when you click on copy to draft, it's loading. Okay, you make sure it's the right email. You go back. You're gonna click on message, draft. Okay, in this case I have these drafted. Okay, so now what you do is you click on send options, schedule broadcast. You click on edit. Okay, you don't click none of these because they're not yours. You're not gonna send emails to these people because they're not yours. You're gonna click here where it says send to subscribers. In this segment, you're gonna click on unopened 2018. Okay, you're gonna send them to the people who didn't open it. Okay, so you're gonna click right here. You're gonna click apply, and then send now. So that means you already send it again to the people who didn't open. Now, if you want to do another email to the people that opened it and said, I noticed you opened the email. Is there any questions that you have? You know, here's a link to get started now, or message me, or call me, or whatever. Okay, so now what you do is you're gonna go on. You're gonna go the same thing. View stats to whatever email it was. and you're going to click, instead of going to the unopened, you're going to leave it opened because those are people who opened it. And same thing, you're going to send directly, and you put today's date, and you're going to put open 7/14/2018, open, okay, and then save, okay. And same thing, you're going to go home, save to draft, same email that you sent before, or you could choose another one, remember, okay. Copy to draft, you go here, message, drafts, and then let's say you want to design your own. Let's say you want to do this one, or you already designed another one. You click here, send, here, schedule, edit. Don't click on all of these. Go here. You're gonna put open. Okay, 7/13, because that's what I put. It's 7/14, but I put 7/13, and you're gonna you're gonna go ahead and send it. Okay. Open 7/13. That's the ones that opened it. It's a different email. You send it that way. You don't send emails to people again that they already opened it. You don't want to tell them, I noticed you didn't open the email, when they actually did open it. You know, they're gonna be like, I did open it. What are you talking about? You're just gonna look dumb. You know. So that's the whole the basic. Okay, the basic. You don't want to mess around with nothing else, because if you mess something up, you're gonna call me and say, Ivan, I don't know what's going on. I switched, I did something wrong, blah blah blah, etc. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to worry about. And that's it, guys. It's very simple. I'm gonna go ahead and send you the password of this, and I'm gonna send you my username, that way you can log in. And this is just for our team. This is just for this team. If somebody leaves or somebody cancels, I'm gonna renew the password and do it again and send you the new password. Okay. So thank you, and hopefully if you have any questions, let me know. But this is it, guys. Very simple. Okay, very, very simple. All right, thank you, and see you in the next video.